At the early part of 2012, CBRE, in conjunction with Mercer's, the actuarial consultant, decided to look at the investment performance, benchmarking and criteria of the sector against a wider investable universe, which includes offices, retail, but also bonds, cash and equities. And we provided all our data and performance data on rents and capital growth over the last 15 and 10 and 5 years to them. And they ran that data through their asset allocation models on the basis of income, return, inflation hedging, liability matching and total return risk adjusted. And the conclusions of that, to summarise what was actually a very detailed body of research, was that on most basis industrial and logistics is ranked number 1 or 2 on those criteria against the other asset classes, or at least provided a compelling complement on any of those investment dimensions. So that, coupled with, just on an agency perspective, the number of parties, the nature of the capital, the types of meeting and transactions that we're undertaking at the moment, is producing quite a compelling case that there is more institutional capital that understand the attractive nature of the sector and are starting to allocate money right the way across mainland Europe. At the moment, the UK constitutes about 40-45% of the total European investment volumes for the sector. Obviously, material increases in Germany, currently 22%, which is a 10% increase on the preceding 5 years of investment allocations. Also, France is a main component at about 12%. And Central Europe, I think by year end, with the transactions at hand, will also have a little boost this year as well, mainly focused on Poland. Outside of that, the Nordics are still performing well, dominated by domestic institutional investors. And unfortunately, the well-documented trials that are occurring in the southern European countries drag the overall statistics down. But overall, for the main markets that the investor universe is focused on, the performance is looking very attractive at the moment.